Hi guys. Good afternoon. Time check, it's 5:30 and we are doing a workout today. My last workout was March 31, so it's been 2 weeks and we are doing some HIIT today with dumbbells. Dumbbell snatch right and left, RDL with reverse lunge, hip thrusts, renegade rows, push-ups, chest presses, called crushers, and burpees for our finisher. And yeah, that's it. Let's go. Kasi medyo nawawala na ng definition yung ating arms. Medyo tumalaki na siya. See? One way of making this smaller is to lift weights. Don't believe the myth that weights or weight training can make your arms or your muscles bulky, because building muscles for women is very, very hard. Let's go. 4, 5, 3,